In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add roles in Homebase. Homebase is an invaluable tool for managing your team and enhancing your workplace operations. One of its powerful features is the ability to assign roles, helping you streamline your scheduling, payroll, and productivity. Let's walk through this process. Once you're on the Homebase dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options such as Quick Start Guide, Schedule, Timesheets, Payroll, Team, Productivity, HR Center, Benefits, Reports, Hiring, Settings, and Help. Each of these categories offers tools and insights essential for running your business efficiently. To begin adding roles, we'll focus on navigating through these options effectively. Start by heading to the Team section. Here you will manage everything related to your workforce, including assigning new roles. Once you're in the Team area, you should see a list of your current staff members. To add or adjust roles, you can either click on an existing team member or opt to add a new team member if you're setting up a role for someone new. For existing team members, click on their name to view their profile. You'll find sections related to their job title, schedule, and more. You're looking for the job title or role section. Click on it, and a list will appear, or you may need to select Add Role if you don't see it immediately. This process varies slightly depending on how your current settings are configured. If you're adding a new employee, each new team member setup also includes a step for assigning roles. Enter their basic information first, then proceed to specify their role in the role field. In both scenarios, whether editing an existing member or adding a new one, you will either select from pre-existing roles or take the opportunity to create a custom role if the preset options don't suit your needs. When creating a custom role, ensure you give it a clear, specific title that accurately describes the responsibilities associated with it. Doing so will help keep your records organized and clear. Once you have designated the appropriate role, make sure to save your changes. In Homebase, this is usually accomplished with a Save button, or occasionally an Update button, depending on what part of the app you're working in. Lastly, take a moment to review the roles and responsibilities in the context of how they align with your goals and compliance needs. While assigning roles might seem like a quick task, it's an essential part of managing your team effectively and making the most of Homebase's capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding roles in Homebase. This fundamental management tool helps you maintain clarity and organization in your workforce, ensuring that everyone knows their specific responsibilities and roles. Thank you for following along, and I hope you can now leverage Homebase to its fullest potential.